Alright, so what's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. And I just received this bad boy in my mailbox. It is the Samyang AF85mm F1.4 FE. Samyang, Rokinon, whoa! I'm not sure why it's called Rokinon or Samyang in some countries. Maybe because of some copyright issues or things. So I just wanted to show you my first impression and a little bit of the unboxing of this bad boy. So what do we got here is just a very quite boring lens or a package. It says Design Award 2017, the Red Dot Award winner of 2018, good design, so it has won some prizes. Let's start with the unboxing. I've done a couple of reviews about 85mm lenses for the Sony A7 III, so the one that I got right here. I'm filming now actually with the Sony A6000 because there's a video coming up soon about the Sony A6000. But back again at this video, I've done a review of the Sony 85mm F1.8 and also of the Viltrox 85mm F1.8. Both of them are really good, and I saw a lot of videos that this lens was also really good as well, so I needed to test it out. And oh, it's quite what's this, a little pouch. Usually the lens comes in the pouch, right? Some documents that we don't read, warranty papers and stuff like that. And here it is. Wow, it's actually quite big. It reminds me of the Viltrox lens. And as you can see, it doesn't have any special things. The focus ring, yeah, I don't use the focus ring, only in manual focus of course, but I'm just gonna rely on the autofocus of my Sony A7 III. Full frame 85mm f1.4. Alright, looking good, looking good. Let's mount this bad boy up on my Sony A7 III. I always make sure that there's no dust or anything. This is weather sealed. Yeah, it is also weather sealed, or at least moisture resistant, as they say. So here it is. Woo! Cool, man. Alright, let's see how this looks. Let's take a picture of the little setup that I have right there. Looking sharp, my friends. Looking sharp. Let's do a little video. Alright. Here you go. As you see, this is now on 4K 25 frames per second on f2.8. Let's crank it down or up, whatever you want to call it, to f1.4, and it has some good separation. Alright, looks good. I'm gonna check this out, and I'm gonna show you some examples, of course, video examples as well. And then I think within a month or so, I'm gonna use it very extensively with some portrait sessions and stuff like that. Then I'll come back with the review. But for now, I think this looks good. An f1.4. Wondering how the bokeh would look. Good. Alright. So that's all for this little video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already, if you want to see what I think about this bad boy, and if you want to find out if the Sony A6000 is still worth buying in 2020, then keep watching my videos, subscribe to my videos, like the video, dislike the video, whatever you want to do, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Alright, good luck.